Hello and welcome to Traders Paradise with CryptoWire. We are here with one and only Ankit Agarwal from the trading community, a person who comes from the FMCG world now into the blockchain crypto trading space and a lot of achievements under his belt. Please, Ankit, welcome to the show. Introduce yourself to our audience and let them know who you are.
Hi Kunal, thank you so much for having me on Crypto World and Traders Paradise. I'm Ankit Agrawal. I'm the co-founder of Yo's Beverages, wherein we make healthy lemonade, the lowest calorie lemonades in India. My
Wow.
crypto has been super interesting. I've been pulled into this world by a friend of mine who had miraculously made so much of money that it was so difficult for me to digest. And
I think the world is going through this today. Everybody like crypto this, crypto that, crypto this, and people are like 10x this, 10x that. It's difficult to digest. That's so true.
the very smallest number I've been hearing out from people. So it's definitely very mind-boggling to hear about the numbers that people are making. And yes, that is the lure that I also got, trapped into, and I'm into the crypto world now.
So, if I understand this correctly, a close friend of yours is making a lot of money, and
Not
he
he's
shared-
already he's
Okay.
already made it. and
already
he's
made it.
Already made it. Having
He's
his
probably that guy from Instagram who said, "Buy crypto and here's a Lamborghini." Yeah.
No, he wouldn't. He doesn't show off, of course, like because people hardly believe it when they say he's made 20x and 30x in a short span of 2 to 5 years.
Wow. 20, 30x in 5 years, huh?
Yeah,
And okay, yeah, it's like a mine, right? Like, and then you have you need to have that exposure risk that boss, this can happen, and if this happens, then
can go.
you
It can always go either way. You have to. I wouldn't recommend somebody to come up with their life savings and invest into crypto because it's a very risky, calculated gamble though. But yes, it's risky.
it's risky. That is true. That is true. Now, having said that, you also obviously, because now you're a trader, you're known, you're here with us, you must be having some sort of understanding or school of background that
To put it across to you, my crypto journey started 1.5 years back when it was a high time of COVID, and because of a lot of time on my hand, I kind of got myself interested into it. And there's a technical analysis like people generally do, and given a fair chance of learning it, I went myself deep into it. Of course, after burning a lot of cash initially, being a trader, I call myself a Fibonacci trader.
Oh,
So
nice.
I burned a lot of cash, and then when I realized why people are making money, and I'm the one who's losing it. Breaking the psychology was difficult, but then yes, I could manage to do that, and post that it was a big walk.
Wow. So if I understand this correctly, Fibonacci is the tool that tells you of when it goes up and then it corrects down, and a certain percentage it starts reversing again, right?
Yes, there's a retracement that is there, and you have to track it, like calculate it properly, and you get certain targets based on your retracement, and you can estimate, based on past data, you can estimate the future predictions. There are certain supply and demand zones that we have to watch out for, and then there are certain other parameters like MACD indicator, which kind of gives you a momentum, which is not much helpful, but then I use it for my trading analysis.
So when you're looking at all these tools, is there anything else that makes you or helps you choose what you're getting yourself into, what you're looking at, what you're not looking at, with respect to selecting your trades?
Yeah. So I don't generally get into the fundamentals of a stock or a crypto. I do trendline breakouts. There are certain, as I said, there are certain supply and demand zones, support resistances that I draw. And basis that, there are few alerts that I've created in my system wherein a particular stock, when it moves in particular direction, I kind of get a notification on my system that this is a potential breakout crypto that might give you a good handsome return in a short period of time. I'm a trader. I don't invest into it as such. I be there into that trade for a very
You're
short
just in
period.
for the game. That's
Not
nice.
married to particular crypto.
I've heard charts work like wonders when you're trading
They do.
crypto. They do,
They
yeah.
do.
So
Yeah.
the only thing that means you're not reading the white papers, you're not going through the fundamentals, you're not reading who's talking what on Reddit and Twitter or Elon Musk's tweet or anything like that. You are simply focused on the charts. Doesn't matter what is happening in the world.
Not at all.
And if I understand these tools, the averages, the price action movement, Fibonacci, these are all tools from the real trading world where you can trade equity, commodity, FX. It's the exact same thing. You're using it back into crypto space. That's all you're doing.
Of course, they work like charm across every given entity, like be it stock, crypto, forex, derivatives, commodities, you name it.
Just to understand, so the audience here also understands, for everybody who's watching, do you come from the background where this trading was already a part and parcel of you? You were an investor in equities, FX, or any such exposure that you had before you became a crypto trader?
No. So as I said, I was into an FMCG. I still am into FMCG. That's my primary. But crypto is something where I do it for passion, and it's something which has been a side hustle initially. But now, maybe eventually in the future, it might be my primary source of income as well.
Whoa, that's a big statement. That's a big statement. So FMCG, I'm assuming, is full-time business right now, but crypto is starting to take over.
You never know, right?
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. So you're actually looking at this as if it could probably be your future business. It's going to be your source of wealth that continuously passes on to generations, and it's going to be non-FMCG to the crypto world. And just trading, no investments.
No investment. Because the trading has been there across ages, across centuries, it has been existing. Earlier, we used to trade, we used to barter in different ways. The thing is, the ways have been changing over a period of time. And with the kind of technical advancement that we have at our fingertips, it has been super easy. Technology has certainly been a boon to.
It's just an app. Everything is just an app here and there on your fingertips. It's amazing. Yeah. I agree with you. You have a bunch of favorite coins that you're selecting, and those are the ones that go first, or they're always in your trend line, or anything that keeps your attention at all times?
Again,
well-behaved ones.
See, there are no such well-behaved coins, to be honest. The top 20 traded coins, I don't really do those coins because the returns are pretty thin in those coins. So I usually track other coins wherein they are little fundamentally good, but not that I dig deeper into those coins. So to name a few coins, there is ICP, there is Rune, there is Scala, OMG, FTM, KMD. There's XCC. So these are the coins that I kind of trade into. But again, you can't really, as I said, you can't be married to a particular coin because I'm a trader. I'm not an investor.
Right. So these are probably the coins that you're naming first are the ones that you look at first, and rather not the top 20.
Yeah. These are the ones and the ones that I've been trading into, and I've made a good chunk of money in those.
Wow. Since you mentioned made a good chunk of money.
I see you're keen.
The audience wants to know. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do this. This is the question of Trader's Paradise. This is the question of Trader's Paradise. How many X is your investment?
Do you have something to hold on to?
Something to hold on to?
Yes, you have to.
You told me your friend was 20-30X, which already shook me apart. I'm like, earthquake, no, but like, wait, I want to hear this guy. So, okay, I'll hold on to this.
Okay, so I made roughly around 9x on my returns, on my investment. 9x returns on my investment.
9x?
Not an investment, my trading. Basically, I made 9x money out of my.
You said your friend has been investing from years. And you said you started 1.5 years ago in COVID, Corona, lockdown, and all this.
Yes.
9x in like a year?
1.5 years to be precise.
Is that really? And this is just trading, no investment at all.
There's no investment. I trade, I get into a trade, I get out. That's it. I make my money, get out.
And this is all on looking at Fibonacci.
Not just Fibonacci, as I said, there are few other indicators and there are few secret indicators which of course you'll have to get back to me to know it. But yeah, I made
You don't hide stuff over here, please. Don't hide stuff. You tell me how you made this 9x now.
No, that's
No, the audience, do you want to know how he's made the 9x or no? Yeah. See, I can hear. I can hear the audience saying, yeah, we want to. Was 1.5 year 9x?
Yeah, but I'm super jealous about my friend who's made 20 and 30 in last 5 years. So I'll be there pretty soon, but yes, I kind of managed to make myself dying low. Yeah.
How many years was your friend invested into the space from?
So he was invested last 5 years, as I mentioned.
5 years?
Yeah.
20x or 30x?
20x.
That's 6x a year.
20 to 30x on his return.
You're doing better than him. 9x in 1.5 years and just trading, no investment.
See, that is of course something which I've learned and went the hard way, but he was the early adopter to it. And he was sitting right there somewhere around 2010, 2012 is where he got to
Early
it.
adapter, investor, and you're feeling regretful about not making the 30x. Huh? That's crypto space for you. That is this space all about. It's crazy. Man, 9x. I can live with that. If I told my father, 9x is really possible in a year and a half away, he'd be like, "Kitko ghar bulao, khana lagao."
Happy to get it done, but he wouldn't.
Can I learn charts from you?
Sorry?
Can I learn this charting trick from you?
Also, what I've done is I've also created a curriculum around it wherein a person can...
Now you're teaching charts.
I teach
Did you just make this up? Did you just make this up?
I have designed a curriculum wherein I am teaching everything that I've learned in this.
You're really teaching charting. I didn't know that. Okay.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
So I'm doing that. I've designed a curriculum wherein you'll get to know everything about how to trade, how to become a successful trader, how to trade in the zone, how not to have an exposure, how to manage your risk appetite, and where to get into the trade, where to get out of a trade. This is all that I'll be teaching into that particular course.
I'm coming now.
Don't have to. It's a digital world, right? So
Okay. Even better. So it's all online. Whichever part of the world you're in, you can learn from Mr. Agarwal. He's teaching the trick to 9x. 9x!
It wouldn't 9x. It can be definitely much more than that. But yes, you have to be a trader on your own. That is what I can assure.
Wow. That's a big number. So if I put 1 lakh, it's 9 lakh. If I put 10 lakh, it's...
You can do.
Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm like, no clue on my next question. Let me get this 9x down my throat. Even Warren uncle must be like, "Arey, this return I've not seen for a long time, yeah."
He's the king of the trading world. I definitely admire him a lot, and I wish to be a little successful there, like he is. So definitely, there's a lot to learn.
There, definitely, man. The trading world is such that you have to go on learning. You have to unlearn to learn. Keep doing this. Do your due diligence. Understanding that trading at the end of the day is trading. You're risking something here, there to make that money. Everybody wants to make money, but everything has some level of risk involved. My father tells me even whatever you do is some level of risk involved. Leave trading alone. So risk is always involved, and trading is just high risk. So yeah, man, I do understand that. And man, this 9x thing is still not getting down my throat. Whoa. Can you name those coins again that you were talking about?
So there's a list of coins. There's ITP, there's Rune, there's FTM, there's KMD, OMG, there's Gala, there's XTC.
Is there any of this that is in your Fibonacci level that we can buy for like 1 month, 2 months sort of a thing?
Not 1 month, 2 months.
You can get 1x or 2x.
For 6 months, which is.
Which one, sorry?
I'm tracking a coin by the name XEC.
Okay.
XEC.
Okay.
I would advise this is not a investment suggestion. This is just a pure analysis that I'm tracking right now.
I understand you're looking at the charts and you think you're not giving investment advice. This is just the chart that you're seeing and this is what you're doing. Fair?
Currently
Please share.
tracking right now. Yeah.
So XTC, X Tango Charlie.
XEC, not TC.
X Echo Charlie.
Yes.
X Elephant Charlie. Okay. X Echo Charlie. I'm going to see that as well. Let's see what's happening there. Oh, wow. XCC. All right. Hey, guys. You have the guy over here who has actually 9x his money in 1.5 years. Sitting right in front of you, Mr. Agarwal, who will also teach you how to do charts and is currently looking at XCC. But is there anything else you want to share with us, man? The 9x man.
So basically, it's all about breaking your psychology. So you have to be really patient. If you are an investor, pretty good enough, you have to be the patient investor because getting money is all about taking it from the impatient ones to the patient ones. So breaking the psychology, trusting the process is super important over here. If you have learned something, you have to trust the process that it is going to be there. Because if you keep looking at it, crypto world is 24/7. You can't really stress yourself out. No money is worth about having so much stress in your life, right? Your health is super important. So with all that wealth, there's no point of having it, right? So you can't really stress yourself out. You have families to watch out for, you have friends to look out for. So trade carefully, have your own risk appetite and risk. If you need anything, I'm here to make you guys aware into the crypto world.
That's superb. You want to also share a little more about your charting program on how they could reach out to you or what is this all about? Very quick.
6 to 8 weeks 1.5 months course. It's a standalone course that I've designed curriculum. And I'm reachable on my Insta handle, which is AGRAWAL That's double T, Agrawal Ankit. I am reachable there. You can definitely get in touch with me and then I can walk you through the entire process of how the course curriculum works, and I can actually show you some breakout trades that I've been capturing over a period of time and what my analysis went into it and how I managed to make it.
That's super cool, man. Ankit Agarwal, ladies and gentlemen, he is right here in front of you, also offering you to teach his skill on how he made the 9x. This is amazing, Ankit. Thank you for joining us. Thank you guys for watching us. We are Traders Paradise, Crypto TV with Crypto Wire app. Everything is on the app as well. Please like, follow and share with your friends. This is really possible. This is crazy, man.
Thank you so much.
Purposes, guys. Make sure that you learn things are changing around the world all the time. And hence, you need to be updated with educative stuff that we're bringing on this show. Ankit, adios and thank you so much. Anybody who's looking to learn from him, you can reach out to him directly at Agarwal Ankit on Instagram.
You are in the crypto world, Kunal. Thank you so much, crypto world.
Yes, much indeed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Thank you for joining us at Crypto TV. See you next week.